Chapter 5. India Physical Features. India is a big and beautiful country. As we travel through its different parts, we find different kinds of landforms. There are mountain ranges with high peaks, forest-covered hills, and green valleys. There are fertile, green plains with rivers flowing through them. There is desert and there are beautiful beaches. There are islands too. The various landforms of a country are known as its physical features. A map that shows broad physical features is called a physiological map. Mountains. The Himalayan mountain ranges lie in the northern part of India. Also known as the Northern Mountains, the range has some of the highest peaks in the world. Many peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. Glaciers are found here. These glaciers are the sources of some of the major rivers of India, such as the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna and Satluj. The Purvanchal range is an extension of the Great Himalayan range towards the northeast region of India. The Aravalli range runs across the states of Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat. Lower hills are found in the central and southern parts of India. In central India, we find the Vindhya and the Satpura ranges. The Nilgiri hills lie in the southern part of the country. Plains. Parts of India are covered with flat lands called plains. The Great Plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are also known as the Great Northern Plains. Rivers such as the Ganga and Yamuna flow through these plains. The rivers make the soil fertile for growing a variety of crops. We also find narrow strips of plain land along the east and west coasts of the country. These are the coastal plains. Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers flow through the coastal plains. Plateaus. Look at the map given on the previous page. Take the shape that best describes the southern part of India. Oval, cone. Yes, the southern part of India does look like a cone. The land here is uneven and higher than the surrounding plains. This area is known as the Southern Plateau or the Deccan Plateau. A plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the surrounding land. The Deccan Plateau region is hard and rocky and not as fertile as the plains. Some parts of this plateau have dense forests. It is surrounded by hills on three sides. The rivers found in this region, such as Tapi and Narmada, get their water from rain. They become dry in the summer months. Another feature of the southern part of India is that it is surrounded by water bodies on all three sides. It has the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean towards the south. A land surrounded with water on all three sides is known as a peninsula. Hence, it is known as the Indian Peninsula. Desert. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert is located in the northwestern part of our country. A desert is a stretch of dry and sandy land. The Thar Desert covers a large part of the state of Rajasthan. Islands. India has two groups of islands. On its eastern side, in the Bay of Bengal, lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. On the western side, in the Arabian Sea, lie the Lakshadweep Islands. As we move from one part of India to another, the landform changes. Along with the changing landforms, there is a change in climate, types of crops, clothes, food and language. All this makes India a nation of diversities.